Now, once we have drawn the overall length and width of this particular diagram, we have offsetted by the 2 meter of an distance. Thereafter, to place the solar panel, once again we just offset the distance by 1 meter, and thereafter we start placing the solar panels over here. So for that purpose, once again you can offset. It is not necessary to offset every time because it depends upon the what amount of the site space has been available. If the less space is available, then we can save the space over here. So we just offset by 1 mm of an distance like this. So we just deciding the contour plot for drawing the solar panels. So where we have to put up the solar panel. Further, once we have done this particular thing, thereafter with the help of the trim command, we just trim this particular parameter. Whatever the excess line will be there. So this will go to trim by the trim command here. So one thing we have to note down, whenever we are using the trim command, double time we have to enter this. So in a single command, multiple times the object we can just trim over here. Fine. So once we have made this particular diagram, now we can start making the solar strings over here. We know that in one solar string, we have a 24 number of solar panel. So we just see this particular diagram. From this diagram, the same way we have to be analyzed like this. So this is a string number 1. So here we have a 24 number of solar panel placed in a horizontal position and connected in the series combination over here like this. So the same way we'll have to make it over here. We know the general dimension of an solar panel. The vertically will be the 2 meter on an average, and the horizontally it is a 1 meter on an average. So we have a 24 numbers of an solar panel. So here what we're going to do now, from this particular corner point, we require to draw the solar panel by the blue color of the shape. So later the shape can be able to move, but now we're going to draw the line, and we're going to draw the line of 24 meter over here. So we make sure that the ortho button is on, so we get the straight line. So we write here 24 mm of an distance, or 24 meter of an distance, and similarly lower side we are extending the line by the 2 meter, that is a vertical length of an solar panel. Once again, this length we are deciding as an 24 meter, and this is a last line. Okay, so now one by one we want to replicate this vertical line by 24 times. So we have to make an array over here. So instead of measuring each and every line by 1 meter and marking the line, the shortcut is that we can use the path array tab over here. So we go to here in the modify, that is a home. Besides the draw button, we have a modify button. Here we have a rectangular array, path array, polar array. So we select the path array. Then it is asking us select the object. So which object we want to make an array. So I am selecting this vertical line. I am selecting this particular vertical line, and this line array we want to make. So once we have selected, enter this and select the path curve. So I am selecting this is a path of a line, and simply just click over here. So automatically you are getting this particular line will be replicated 24 times. So whenever we count, all these are the 24 numbers of a solar panel we are mentioning over here, and this particular length width between that is a 1 meter automatically over here. So like that we can able to construct the solar panel in a one string. So basically now we're going to give the color to these solar panels. So because this panel should be identifiable, so we select this particular array, go to the bilayer in a properties, here in a bilayer, give the blue color to them. Give the blue color to them like this, we can assign the color. So similarly on this particular array also on this side, we can assign the blue color to them. So like that we can do a coloring system of our upper part also and the lower part also.